Everything ready, babe? You got your copy trader ready? Everything's ready?
Yeah.
You didn't ever open up an account with Tradeify?
No.
Remember I sent you and Patty a link that you guys should open an account here?
Yeah.
Why don't you go ahead and open one up right now? You got a free account.
Okay.
Go to Tradeify.
So go to the email you sent me?
Yeah, go to email I sent you. Set up an account with Tradeify. And then get a free account added to your trade copier. You never know.
Excuse me.
Oops. Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is up, everyone? Good morning to you, and happy Monday. Markets are moving around. Let's go ahead and take a look here. I have marked out some levels, and it looks like we did hit a few of them already this morning. We do have this 5-minute just got taken out. 30-minute is looked like it got hit as well. This 5 minutes done. This 5-minute is done. Let's take a look at that 5-minute real quick. I erased. This 5-minute here. That 5-minute there. That's taken out. This 30-minute here got taken out just now too. Or got hit. Target hit on that. Let's go ahead and 30-minute real quick. 30-minute just got hit beautifully. Take this out there. All right, so the only levels we got left now, looks like this 1 minute got taken out pretty nasty. So the levels we got taken out are further up or further down. Yeah, this thing cleared out pretty quickly. We got a 5-minute level up here now. Yeah, mark these levels out before leaving to the gym. Now it looks like we have taken them out and set a new 5-minute here. All right, that's all we got to worry about here on the 1 minute. I'm sorry, on the NQ. Let's take a look at this ES now. ES just hit a 30-minute. Okay, looks like we have a 30-minute invalidation level up here with a 30-minute target down there. The 1 hour here just got missed by a hair overnight, so I think they may want to come back and grab this. See if there's anything new on the 5-minute. Okay, we got trap longs here on the 5-minute. We also had trap longs down here. It didn't really go far. But it looks like they're starting to build something up. Market opens up here in just about a minute and change, guys. Very shortly. Okay, that's what we got on the ES. Let's go ahead and shrink this back. We've got ES and Q both kind of going sideways right now, still in a bullish trend. It looks like the market may want to come down and take down some of these lower targets. This morning we do have, oh, my charts got all messed up. I forgot about this. All right, we got the mags. We got NVIDIA here. Supposed to be NVIDIA at least. Forgot about this. My computer reset itself overnight. It's not as many now that as it used to be, because I fixed my chart layouts, but still it's a pain in the ass to do these. Okay. Oil. Let's take a look at oil. RTY. Market's open. Market's dumping. All right, let's stick around over here. We'll fix those charts later. All right, let's see what this market wants. You ready for today, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like we're gonna have a big ATR this morning, babe. So go to 30 and 2. Good morning, crew. I haven't really had a chance to say good morning to you guys, but I will go down the line here and say good morning in a little bit. Hopefully you guys are signed up to that Tradeify Cup. I am. Hopefully you guys are too. It's a free account. You guys can trade for free there and possibly make some money there. First place is $200,000. So I just added it to my copy trader. My copy trader should be working perfectly right now. And just make sure all my connections are good. Yeah, they're all good. All right, looks like we're going to continue moving on down. Delta is strong here to the downside this morning, guys. Delta is pretty strong. Good morning to you guys. Good morning, good morning. Let's see what we get here. Babe, we might go long here, okay? Sorry. Okay, I'll tell you when. All right, now. Go long. Bye. I'm long right now, guys. I'm going to go for a scalp. Going for a scalp long. See if we can get this momentum to continue higher. Right now she is looking real good to the upside. Let's see if it can keep going. No, looks like they want lower. All right, no. They want lower. You're out, right? Yeah. All right, look good there for 1 second, but probably not ready yet. Yeah. Hey, look good there for 1 second. Good there for 1 hot second. That 15 second got me going. Let's see what she's reaching for. We got trap longs. She could be reaching for overnight lows, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, we got a target up at 475 to the upside. Market is pushing down pretty heavy here. Looks like they may want to come and get that VWAP. Could be heading down there. You're good, babe. Getting pretty aggressive here on the sells. 30 minutes bearish. 5 minute was pretty bullish. Let's see what the 1 minute ends up giving us. 1 minute doesn't look too good right now. We have a whole bunch of trap longs up here. Bless you, babe.
Thank you.
Bless you, bless you. Looks like they might be coming down for some more bear blood. It's a target of 200 right now. In that 15 second. Might try this short here in just a second, babe.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna try a short. TP 200. Move the TP to 200, okay?
Yeah.
Or 205. Move your stop loss to 286.
286?
Yeah,
Sure about that?
yeah. If it doesn't go, then it's not gonna work.
Okay.
I don't want to risk that much for this trade. It has to go, if not, it's not gonna work. Right now, they might actually go start ripping this thing to the upside. I'm gonna say. I'm short right now to 200. Stop loss is pretty tight, 286. See if we can try to maneuver this trade here. So we continue to get this push down. Pretty heavy selling here. We need a TP at 205, 206. What are you doing here? Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I said ay, ay, ay. Okay, looks like they're gonna rip it down. Can we get a dumper here? Looks like we might. So they might have just trapped some longs here. Oh, come on, push, 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 push. It's looking pretty good for the sellers. Looks like a strong push here, possibly to 200. If we break this low here, babe, move your stop to break even if we break this low here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go. Move it. All right, we should get a 205 hit here. 205, 206. Come on, push, baby. Push, 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 push. 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 Oh, come on. Knock it off. Push. Take it, take it, take it. Crazy, a little crazy here this morning. A little crazy with the NQ. Alright. So we got 200 anyway, or getting close to that.
What?
We're getting close to 200, but yeah, pretty dumpy there. We got close there. That was close.
Yeah, that was.
She's gonna hit 200 here more than likely. We would have a TP just now, but man, she was moving weird. Yeah, all right, we got it. Very tricky price action. We just missed that 200 mark. Nice, Joey. Up, okay. Nice, dude. You just took a short there, or I'm pretty sure you had to take a short there. 200 got hit. VWAP's next. All right, very good there. Very good. Keep going, NQ. You're such a good girl. Let's go. Let's go. Going to 29 cases, Iron Prophet. Long scalp. Oh, wow. Good, Joey. Joey came back with a vengeance. We could go as low as 29,049 and then 29,050. This level out here, and maybe then think about making a pop to the upside. Who knows? Or maybe we get no pops. No pops today. What's up, Addy Griefy? We got close to getting stopped out on that trade, but thank God we had the stop at the right place, babe.
What?
We almost got stopped out on that trade like 3 times, but thank God that level was the level they wanted to protect.
Facts.
Yeah, I didn't want to risk more than that because it was either going to work or it wasn't going to. It wasn't going to be one or the other.
Yeah. That's a risk.
It was going to work at that level or it wasn't going to work at all. Is what I meant.
Yeah.
How much are you up?
62.
All right, we're about the same.
Excuse me.
Yeah, we could get a pop here on this 140 level, this daily open. Could see a pop. ES already looking like it wants to. ATR right now is 41 on the NQ. These ATRs have been massive recently, guys. These ATRs can either make you or rip you apart. Yeah. Wow, Bitcoin just took a dump. What's up, Bitcoin? Why the dump though? That's crazy. I am long on Bitcoin right now, but damn, you don't gotta go all the way down like that, girl. We were looking kind of good there for a minute on Bitcoin. Now we're down. Still in it, but a little bit red right now. I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a pop around here. Let's see if what you doing? That's a nasty doji Bitcoin on a 4 hour. She printed a nasty doji. We got 2 hours left to see what happens there, but that's a nasty doji. It's like Bitcoin may want further downside. $38 ATR. Yeah, I got a 43 right now. You longed 170. Con, nice, man. This looks like it could give us a pop here. We're at the VWAP. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna wait for a MOAS power long to show up or a MOAS power short to show up. I think I'm gonna play a little safer, more conservative this morning. We're already up a little bit, so I don't want to start giving that back. You sold yourself too short with that 340 target. ES is looking pretty good right now. They already put in a trap short indication. NQ hasn't put one in yet. The 15-second did, but the 15-second got me in trouble earlier when I tried to long a trap short indication, so I don't want to do that again. I'm going to wait for the 1 minute to give me some stronger confirmations. Yeah, hopefully the 5 minute too, because the 5 minute hasn't given me any strong confirmations yet. Only strong confirmation the 5 minute has given us is a move back to the downside, which we are in right now. But we could see something pushing us back up soon. Hopefully. Using Tradesea for the tournament, it's so sketchy. I'm using Tradeday, but I am copy trading it with my other accounts. I put it on a 3 times multiple. So whatever I use as size is gonna triple it. Looking for 100 points, Con? Looking up to 270. What's up, Kamal? I went to the gym this morning, dude, and it's hot here, so I didn't have time to change. Shorts are trapped, says Con. Yeah, here at the VWAP. I haven't seen anything strong on the 5 minute yet. That's the only thing that's got me a little apprehensive. And the 30 minute is still very bearish. Almost ignition bull, says Gordo. Number one on the tournament is already up 73,000. That's crazy. Yeah, with the tournament, you can't care too much. It's a free account, so just risk. I think you can reset it 3 times too. So I'm just trying to outlast other traders. I know some traders are going for like the big wins, but they're also going to be the ones to wreck their accounts. So I'm just trying to go modest and trying to outlast to make it to the top 1,000. Nice move here. Back up to 220. Really solid moves. Yeah, 15-second looked real good. The 1 minute, not so much, not yet. But the 15-second looked real good. You're long now? Nice job, Kamal. Yeah, I know you like to short. Yeah, I try to make it to the top 1,000. I don't care if I'm 998. Yeah, same here. I'm just trying to outlast these fools. A lot of people are going to just full port into oblivion and then lose their accounts. So I'm just trying to see if we can just make it. And then we'll see where we how we do next week. Nice long here, Con. Looks like you're about to get paid at 270. Yeah, these ATRs are massive right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little what's that called? Intimidated by a 50 ATR on a 1 minute. I'm not really sure where these where this volatility is coming from, but it's here. It's here. Yeah, I know you're a bear. 400 attack. Yeah, I'm looking for a 475. 468 is where I think the market wants to go. I'm looking for a move into that. Hopefully we can get a MOAS power along here and then a confirmation to that target, and then I'll enter another trade long. Right now the 5 minute hasn't given me that bullish confirmation yet. It will soon, more than likely here, but we still need a good like maybe 6-7 minutes for that. By the end of the week, to get into the top 1,000, you're going to need a 20K profit. Maybe. Yeah, buyers are looking strong here. Real strong. It looks like they may want another move down. Printing up trap long indication here in the next 40 seconds if it keeps going lower. Delta's getting stronger for the bears. Oh, it looks like they're fighting through. The bears are fighting through. I mean, the bulls are fighting through. They might turn this into a green candle, giving us a power long. Oof, that's a turn of events there if I ever seen one. That's very good for bulls. Nice. Getting into the 275 region now. Let's see if they can turn this red delta into a green delta bar. There it goes. Power long. Power long now confirmed on that 1 minute candle. Real crazy. Real nice there. Real nice moves here, guys. This market is looking for much higher. Oil's coming down from the highs. Yields are also slipping. Yeah, Bitcoin's holding up too. Hopefully it continues higher like I felt this morning. I did get out of my Bitcoin shorts. I did take out really nice profits on Bitcoin. Those Bitcoin shorts. Now I'm thinking the Bitcoin will probably pop a little higher. We'll see if he does. Oil is down under 100 now. We're at 99.4 on oil and looking to go even lower. BTC right now looking for a higher price. I mean, NQ looking for higher prices. ES, forget it. ES is off. She's off to the races right now. NQ is still kind of lagging a little bit. She is a lagger. You're still holding, Con? Nice, man. ATR is huge. Be careful with sizing. Yeah, I know. I took a 50-point hit first trade. Almost long for 150 points. Yeah. Good job, man. Yeah, it looks like she's still pushing. The Delta has not slowed down for buyers yet. Delta is still very strong for buyers. Haven't seen any real negative Delta signals here on the 1 minute. This was a real nice flip from a red Delta candle to a green Delta candle here. This looks like they really put in the work here, the buyers. Very nice move there. Made 2K in 10 minutes. That's awesome, Gordo. Khan's looking for 350. That's a huge move, Khan. Nice job. This is not a good looking candle here. Yeah, I don't know where these ATRs are coming from, guys, but they are absolutely massive. This is a really huge ATR right now. Troll stop. I'm out. Nice, man. Made some money. Made 2K in 10 minutes as Gordo. That's crazy, dude. Looks like the ES is printing a trap long signal there. Nice job, Con. ES is on crack, yes, a little bit crackish, but it looks like she's going to have a pullback. She does have a trap long signal there, confirming in the next 15 seconds. I'm going to try to be patient here, guys, and wait for more of an A+ setup right now. I just haven't seen one appear on the 1 minute since we took our last trade. Not even on the 15-second, to be honest with you. A 15-second this time of day is not a bad time frame to look at. I don't think we have any news today, do we? Okay, today, 18th. Canadian bank holiday today, guys. Oh, that's not good. Canadians are not working today. We gotta be careful with that. Another tap of that VWAP. Trap and trade was long there in an ES. NQ did the same thing on a 15-second. So you may want to chop this VWAP here for a little bit. Chips are getting wrecked, says Dan Zelma. Dan Lezama. Why do I always have a hard time pronouncing that? It's because I think I try to mix part of your first name into your last name, so it's Dan Lezama. What's up, Piper Jane? Nvidia earnings are coming. Is that today? Is that today, Nvidia earnings? Or is that this week? No, it should be on a Wednesday. Let's see, when do we have Nvidia? It should be Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday's Nvidia. That's going to be a rough day to trade. Yeah, after hours, yeah. Our Canadians never work. Canadians, they always work. They're lumberjacks, man. Where do you think we get our lumber from? Except for Mo, I think Mo said he's an igloo builder. Light America versus Canadian joke. Mo told me he lives in an igloo. I don't know if that's true or not. Yeah, these ATRs are absolutely massive. Ryan says he's up 51,000 on his Tradeify Grand Cup. How did you do that, Ryan? Holy smokes, dude! You gotta have you on. We gotta have you on here, man. Can you reach out to me on Discord, man? I want to have you on the stream one day. We gotta pick your brain, dude. You're an amazing trader. If you wouldn't mind, obviously you don't have to, but we would love to have you. Bitcoin's getting wrecked right now, so is the rest of the market. She come in for another sweep. ATR, yeah, ATR is crazy. ATR is absolutely wild right now. We have 50 ATR right now. Yeah, that's a good question. Joey asked, are you up 1,300 or are you up 51,000? Oh, you're up 1,300. That's still really good. I was about to say, if you're up 51,000, you're like in the top 10 of traders. Let's see if this delta will turn bullish here and then give us a trap short indication. That would be something. They may want to sweep that 2940 or 2950. Not looking too strong yet. Maybe in these last 5 seconds they might get some. Not yet. Cons long at 170. Liquidity grab here is what people are saying. That's what Gordo's saying. I'm gonna be a little patient here. Wait for the A+ for me. These ATRs are too huge for me to start taking assumptions. Looking pretty good on the 15-second. Slam. Ooh, slam. She got slammed there. Wowzers. Yeah, they swept here. Let's see if they end up making a green candle after this one. Babe,
Yeah.
take off your brackets and put one on the chart. Okay. Buy one. Stop is all the way down at that wick that we just had. Okay, I'm gonna hold this, okay?
You want a 117?
Yeah, 117 is why I have mine too. They're gonna have a pullback here more than likely. Don't put one on yet. This is a very wide stop, but market's moving fast right now. We have a 53 ATR. Okay, she's ripping. Yeah, this could go all the way to 460. If this wants another leg down, then we're probably looking at 29.50. If it wants another leg down. No. Don't move your stop loss. Keep it where I put where you had it. I'm expecting a pullback because it was a massive 2-candle formation. But I also do expect her to move higher. But we'll see which one she wants. We didn't go in too heavy, so that's good. This was a high volume candle here, and it was also a trap short indication. Yeah, she's moving nicely. I'm long right now, guys. I forgot to put it on here. In addition, you may want to make it up to that 450 level. We will see though. That's kind of really far target, even though it looks close. It's like 200-300 points away. Ignition bull now, says Gordo. It could be. It could be. This would be a very nice trade. She's gonna obviously make it hard on us though. She's just not gonna make it easy. I'd like to see a MOAS power along here. That would be good on the 1 minute. And that would give me some added comfort. Buyers are still pushing hard here. Beautiful trap short indication down here on that last move. If you guys aren't familiar with the trap shorts, I just released a video on it. Check it out on our YouTube channel over the weekend. really informative. Usually don't give those videos out because they don't perform well on YouTube. I usually limit them only to the trading course. And as expected, it's not performing the best. It's like, got on like 200 views or something like that. But it is an everything you need to know video about trap shorts and trap longs with many examples of them happening back to back for the last 2 consecutive trading days. Very nice signal there. This week just started. Why would you weekend? What does that mean? What does WDYM mean, babe? I know it's an acronym for something. What do you mean? What do you mean, weekend?
Yeah, what do you mean?
I don't know. I posted it over the weekend. It's Monday today, so I posted it on Friday, I think. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Looks like we might get the MOAS power long on the 1 minute here on the ES, which is a really good signal for us. All right, that's great. That is a really good feeling. Doesn't mean we're going to shoot straight up, guys. It does not mean that. It just means that there is a good chance that buyers are trying to absorb the sell pressure here and have some kind of continuation higher. The target on the ES is exactly where this 74, 72 level already is. So that's an extra confirmation for this level on the ES, which is good for us because we have a target up here on the NQ, which they should hopefully around the same time hit those targets if the NQ starts picking things up, because the NQ was a little weak here. NQ was a little weak here on the open compared to the ES. Everyone's gambling on the Tradeday Grand Cup. How are people up 17,000 on 50K count in 5 hours? They had that profit 5 hours after futures opened. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Some people are just YOLOing. And the market's been moving big, so I can see them making a lot of money. Market's been moving huge. Yeah. Obviously now the market's trying to slow down a little bit to scare us out of these positions. But like I said, that's why you only entered with 1, because these ATRs are absolutely massive. And if she does want to come back down, maybe it'll give us an opportunity to add to these trades if we see some good signals. But right now she's having a hard time at 250 for some reason. 250, 260 area. Maybe we got a Tory. Do we have a Tory? Looks like we have a little bit of a Tory there. Maybe she's creating a wedge. Could she be creating a wedge? Maybe. Could be creating a wedge. Hoping we could get some acceleration to the upside without having another sweep. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes looking great right now. In the next 1 minute, we'll confirm a trap short indication on the 5. Which for me is, that is a very high probability trade at that point. 40 seconds to confirm that. $20 seconds to confirm that on the 5 minutes. She's looking real good. Three seconds. And she's confirmed trap short here on the 5 minute, guys. A really beautiful indication. That is strong, strong, strong right there. Trap short. So we should, in theory, get this move up to 450s. Which would be a massive move. Absolutely massive. All right, we got the MOAS power long now on the NQ on the 1 minute. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see where this target ends up headed to. You've taken your trade off for 100 points. Nice, Con. A bunch of people have trading bots or automation. Maybe. I hope I'm not pinned up against a bot next week if I make it. I don't want to trade against a bot. That'll be crazy. That'll be 200 points if we move up to this 419 target here. Market is on steroids right now. The ATR is almost 50. It was higher than 50 just a little while ago. Absolute steroidal use here by the NQ. She's on trend, Trebolone, testosterone, TRT, HRT, Cialis. She's on everything. Oh, crazy. Squeeze is about to happen, says Gordo. All in QQQ calls here. Yikes. This is absolutely beautiful price action, says Con. Damn, what's up with the Bitcoin now? Bitcoin wants to sweep again? What is up with her? I say Bitcoin wants to sweep again. You didn't get enough Bitcoin? You didn't get enough juice? Do you want to go for this next target now? I don't know, man. I thought this was a good place to long. She's making me second guess this now. What's the time frame preset and the indicator? Why did you choose 5-minute preset in a 1-minute chart? Because the 5-minute is a good trend detector. When the 5-minute tells me where it wants to go, it kind of sets the trend for the day, or for my time frame at least, for the amount of time I choose to trade on the markets. The 1-minute kind of gives me the heads up, and the 15-second a lot of times is kind of my trigger, but that's why I put on a 5-minute, a 1-minute, and a 15-second. But the 1-minute is what I mostly stare at. The 5-minute I look for guidance, and that's it basically. That's it. That's why I do. Hoping we can get this support around this VWAP again. Not going to be an easy road up to 400, that I know. Gamma hedge 270, 280 is not easy. Y'all, this is never easy. After the MOAS power long, I know a lot of times we do get these pullbacks. Initially, Bitcoin already took out my stop loss, so she is continuing to dump. Let's see if we can get a somewhat of a bounce here around the VWAP on the NQ. Crypto's done, says Con. VIX is giving you the clues. Hedge funds are buying cheap SPY puts. That's why volatility is high. Seems like 21 MA is absorbed. Sellers by institutions. Yeah, let's see what happens here. We could be getting another trap short indication down here, which would be very nice for the longs. Babe, we might add another one here, okay? I'll tell you when. Actually, let's wait. Let's wait. I have a feeling she might pull back again. Shares of Bitcoin Depot plummeted 75% in pre-market trading Monday after the Bitcoin ATM operator filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. That's probably why crypto's so dumpy today. Made 2K in my TPT funded above buffer. Nice, Nostalgia. Great job. Yeah, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be good. What's up, Darlock? How are you, bro? Google's taking off. My trading's been pretty good, brother. I locked in a payout last week. Hopefully we do the same thing today. ATR's come down a little bit. We're at 41 on the ATR. Nice, nice. Got a little pop there from the buyers. Just shy of the VWAP. ES looks like it's trying to hold. If the ES managed to turn this candle green, we might get a trap short indication. Yeah, we did. Trap short indication on the ES, which is positive for the bulls. Let's see what happens here on the NQ. The NQ can get a pop too. Oh, getting heavy here. NQ was looking strong for a second, but not yet. So I think may want to definitely get that tap. She's so close to the VWAP there. So she might be aching for that VWAP tap. What was that? NQ making us sweat here, like always. Never an easy day, where. VIX is bouncing. Bull trapping. That's what Khan says. Sellers are still pretty strong here. Can the buyers hold it up? All right, this is the candle that matters here. This candle has to close green. If this candle doesn't close green, there's a good chance that you can come and sweep our low here that we just took this trade from. Right now, she's looking really, really strong for the bears. Unfortunately, it's not looking too hot. Looks like we're going to get stopped here soon. Is she going to sweep, or is she just going to barely miss it? That is the question. We're still in it by a hair. Is she going to bounce here? That is the question. Our buyer's going to take over here. Oof, sellers are still looking real strong. Sellers are still looking strong. Buyers could bounce, buyers could bounce. Oh, buyers are stepping in. Go buyers, go, go, go. Buyers go. Looking pretty strong here. Can they break it back above the VWAP? Trap some shorts, high volume down there. Looking good so far. See if they can keep going. Can they hold this level? No, they're pushing. Sellers are pushing. Yeah, it does not look good. Does not look good here. We're still in it by a hair, but probably not for long. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. And I think we got stopped out. Did you get stopped out, Ben? Not yet. Okay. No, I'm still in it. I thought we got stopped. Yeah, this could be that bounce. I guess the M and Q didn't sweep. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out because the M and Q didn't sweep. Yeah, M and Q did not sweep. D and Q swept, the M and Q did not. So we're probably gonna get stopped out here because they don't like to leave that liquidity M and Q either. Looked good there for a minute. Looked good. Looked like the market wanted to go higher, but I guess not yet. Looks like she probably wants lower than higher. Don't tell me we getting saved here. I don't believe it for 1 second. Don't believe it for 1 second. You got stopped out? Yeah, now we're stopped out. Okay. All right, this next one is probably going to be the one. It looks like they're just really trying to paint a bearish picture here, but whatever. Really trying to paint one. Okay, get a bounce here around 29.50. Yeah, that trade looked too simple. Looked too easy. Okay, so now we've got a bearish MOAS printed. ES got looks like it wants to take it out at 74.15. We'll see what happens here. The 5 minute should. This 5 minute liquidity level here should probably. This is going to be that make or break level. If we can come down here, hit this target, come back up, and find support on this level on top of 50, 60, we're probably going to get that move all the way back up. Let's see how she reacts around here. You got stop colors up 20 for the day. It's not bad. Sometimes you got, when you make an anomaly, you got to break a couple legs. So we'll see. Yeah, the 30 minute is very bearish still, and even now trying to confirm a very bearish move. 5 minute was very bullish there for a moment, but she did not hold up her end of the bargain. She even put in a nice indication here, which ended up not playing out. Very weak. Target hit there perfectly. Let's see. Let's see what she does now. Very nice trap. It's funny how the NQ ended up pulling the ES down. The NQ was bearish. The NQ was bullish. And she managed to pull it down. Alright, we'll see. We'll see what happens now. Yeah, she is a runner and a track star. Nice job, Nostalgia Cinema. Yeah, that short was this short was easy money here. $53 on the ATRs again. Holy smokes, these ATRs are just out of control. Babe, we may try another long here in a moment, okay? You heard, babe?
Yeah.
I'll let you know.
You know what?
I'll let you know. We might try another long here in a moment.
Yeah.
Try it now. Yeah, I know. Try them long now, babe. Yeah, you long?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your stop at that last low. And we'll monitor this. We'll monitor this. ES is right on the VWAP. NQ has a little bit more room to go before hitting its VWAP. Wow, what a smacker there. Sells are still plenty strong here. Trapping longs again. Let's see who's actually in control. Terrible indication there for buyers. Babe, move your stop loss to 29.12. If it keeps going lower, then we're probably going to end up getting taken out.
12.
Yeah, 29.10. That's good. Yeah, by the way, I'm long right now. I think 170 could be a decent hit, but she might continue going. It's looking pretty good right now, babe. I know we missed that overnight low here at 28,920. I'm aware of that. But she also missed it a bunch of times last week. I'm thinking she could head right back up to that 480 level that we were looking at earlier. That'd be a massive move. 170 feels too high a target for me, says Abel. Okay. I was thinking 480. The daily open is here at 134. Nasty pullback right now in the NQ. All right, nice push. Nice push by the buyers. Yeah, sellers are still strong here. Sellers are still very aggressive. Hoping these buyers can step back in here and push, but not sure. They're heavy. Man, I guess it's gonna be one of those days. Missed this by a hair. See if they can hold these levels. Oof. Buyers are being absorbed here. See if we turn this into a trap short indication. Not likely here. They are still pushing relentlessly hard down. Oof, man. They keep flirting with our stop loss here. Yeah, we're gonna be out of this trade here, and we're out. All right, I'm done. All right, not a good day here to try to catch this move on the way back up. Although the signs are there, they just keep getting hammered here at the 21. All right, we try one more bit, but just give it a second, okay? Not a clean market. ATRs are still massive. Nah, I'm good, man. I don't want my profits. You can have them. Yeah, the 1 minute now is the 5 minute is bearish now. She did not confirm a move to the upside. Looks like they want more downside now, possibly, unless that is the final trap boss there. We'll see. Yeah, we might try this again, babe. This time with 2. I'll tell you when. Yeah, I'll tell you. No. Just hit it twice, okay? Hit 1 now. Just 1 for now. I'll tell you when to hit the other one. Put the stop loss. We're right underneath 2901. Put the stop loss at 2901. I went with 1 right now. I went long. Okay, 29,002 is my stop loss. I went long with one. I'm gonna add a second one in 10 seconds, okay? All right, I'm gonna try a second now. I'm gonna put one TP at 170.
Both stop losses look the same.
Yeah. And then we're gonna leave a runner. Actually make it at 160, the TP. Keep our fingers crossed for this one, because if it's not, this is definitely our last trade. Seems like buyers are absorbing the sellers now. This candle turns green, delta turns green here. This is going to be a very bullish indication. We'll get a power long, which is nice. So we can continue this move. Keep pushing higher, NQ. Keep pushing higher. Sellers came in here at the last second, still pushing. It's a battle here with buyers and sellers. Wow. Battle going on right here. Not a good look here for the buyers. Looking good for a second, but damn. You have to be so dirty there, NQ. Yeah, sellers are just way too strong here. Some battle here. Battle. Buyers and sellers are really battling this 29,050 level here. They had liquidity earlier today. Absolute battle. And the buyers turn this candle green. Or at least the next one. Hopefully the next one. Yeah, we need this candle green. We cannot afford this candle to turn red on us. All right, this is a good sign. It needs to close higher than this 100 level. Delta turns green on this, we should be good. There we go, come on. Let's keep going. This is closing bullish here. 5 seconds to go. Buyers are looking good for the moment. Come on, and keep pushing up to 160, baby. You could do it in 2 candles. The way you're moving right now. 5 minute did confirm another power trap short indication, which is nice. We should see 160 on this. Oh, come on, what is that? A lot of BS here. Let's see who wins this candle. Wow, sellers are really trying to push here and buyers are absorbing them for the most part, but not. Oof, man, the sellers just came in heavy right now. Wow. Question is, what's the next candle gonna look like? Damn, sellers trying to pile in here. What is the next candle gonna look like? Please let the next candle be green, not red. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, they came into some heavy sell pressure there at 130. not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Yeah, we're in the middle of the chop zone. 45-point chop zone. 45 ATR chop zone. Yeah, still waiting for this push to 160 at least, and she should take off after that if she does. But that was an ugly rejection we just had there at the 130s. Oh wait, I'm long. Let me put this on here for you guys. I forgot to put this on. I got one here at 160. And we have one runner. Tough day. Not easy day at the office today. Damn it. This is not good. Buyers are putting on the pressure here. Hopefully they can do it. They're either really trying to get these sellers to commit so they can blow their face off, rip it to the upside, or they're really actually gonna dump it. I'm thinking the first one. We really need this candle here to close green for a trap short indication. A red candle would give us a power short here, which is probably going to be a continuation to the downside. So we really need a green candle to close here. Ooh, yeah, we don't need a power short. We need a green candle here. Green candle, green candle, green candle. This is a battle. Come on, 20 seconds to give us a green candle here in Q. Oil's ripping to the upside right now. We're at 102 on oil. 15 seconds here. We can't afford to get a power short. Really cannot. Buyers need to push here. Buyers really need to push and absorb. 3, 2, 1. So we may have another sweep coming. Let's see. We will see. Buyers got a little jolt here. Let's see if they can keep going with the momentum. Not looking good. Definitely not looking good here for my longs. Buyers are stepping in on the ES. Hopefully they do the same thing for the NQ. It's a wild area here. Very wild area. We got trap shorts and trap longs here. Right now, I am kind of stuck in the middle of the sandwich. So we can get these buyers back in. Buyers back in and interested in this move. ES looks like it wants to go. Thank you, not yet. It's going to be a nasty red day here for us if we get stopped again. And it looks like that's where she wants to go. Okay. All right. Atrocious day here. Atrocious day. Looks like we're about to get stopped again. Looks like they only want shorts. Not even to pop to 160. After looking very promising. It's super promising, but nothing yet. All right, we'll be done here, guys, if this is the case. But, oh, wow, we got a pop there at the last second. Let's hope that it actually is something. Let's hope this is not just a fairy tale. Let's see if we can continue this push. All right, buyers, keep going, buyers. Come on, we need you up at 160. You're still in there, right, babe?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get up to 160. $20 seconds here should confirm this trap short indication. Hopefully it is gonna start pushing now, because that did look like a lot of people started piling into that move down. Would make sense to get a pop to 160. 5 seconds left on this candle to confirm, and it looks good. It looks like buyers are still coming in here on the delta. Next candle should also be green if it wants to actually put this move in. No, I'm saying that this next candle here should also close green if they're serious about this move to the upside. Come on, let's get this follow through here in Q. Let's get the follow through going. Get these buyers stepping in here. These market buyers stepping in here strong. Hopefully this is not a bull trap now. Hey, get ready to close this if I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Buyers are absorbing sell pressure here. This next candle will have to close green if this is real. Buyers can manage to turn this candle green. That's going to be a very bullish indication. We still, two bullish absorption candles in a row, but we haven't got a follow through yet. Hopefully this will be that one to follow through. And not a red candle, because if this closes red, this is just going to be a bull trap. We need this to close green. Nice, let's go. Let's keep going. Maybe we can absorb this entire candle. Let's go NQ. Come on, we got to break above this 100 level. Let's go. Keep pushing. Man, she's not strong at all. Not strong at all. Not strong at all. Babe, we might just end up closing this. This is not what I wanted to see here for the bounce. Not at all. Did not want to see this for the bounce. This is getting weaker by the moment. Like I say, usually when she looks the weakest is when she's the strongest. This is very manipulative. Man, this is horrible. Horrible PA. Not the trade I was looking for. Got caught up in a bunch of chop. Come on, AQ. Let's go. Get that push, baby. Up to 160. Man, this is tough. It's real tough. Buyers are still really pushing hard. Really trying. Buyers are really trying here, but I don't know. Possibly could put in another trap short indication here, but if not, we're going to get a power short, which by that point would probably stop us out. Oh, yeah. Not looking good here. The power short. Yeah, longs are not, they're not coming through. Not coming through at all. Very, very manipulative price action. Yeah. If we get stopped here, guys, I'm going to call it. I'm gonna call it a day. If we get stopped, call it a day on a stream. I'm just gonna have to walk it off. And it looks like that's the way it's headed. All right, we're getting stopped out here. Stopped out, babe. All right, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. God bless you guys. Hopefully, you guys do better than me today. But this was not my market. But take care, guys. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow.